Welcome to Tea and Coffee Explorers. Today, we're diving into the serene world of Chinese tea ceremonies. Chinese tea ceremonies, dating back to the Tang Dynasty, are a blend of art, culture, and tranquility. Each step is steeped in tradition and significance. Step 1. Prepare the tea set. Step 2. Rinse the teapot and teacups with hot water. Step 3. Place the tea leaves into the teapot. Step 4. Wash the tea leaves with hot water, then discard this water. Step 5. Brew the tea by adding hot water to the teapot. Step 6. Rinse the teacups again. Step 7. Pour the brewed tea into the heated cups and serve with both hands to show respect. Savor the moment. Each cup symbolizes unity and connection, with flavors unfolding gently, telling stories of ancient traditions. In every sip, you experience patience and mindfulness. The Chinese tea ceremony is not just about drinking tea, it's a meditation, a way to find peace in our busy lives. Thank you for joining us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts. Until next time, happy exploring.